Welcome to BPM Max. Power to Business Agile. BPM Max is effective way to address today's dynamics business need. BPM Max allow closer collaboration between business and IT. BPM Max Suite provide IT and business professional common tool and process model from design process till operating process. BPM Max Suite give high agility, visibility and efficiency to any complex business process. BPM success is very much depend on accurate capture of exiting process in BPM as well as made system easy to use and fast that give BPM system and user immediate benefit of system. We believe BPM success depend on able to capture current process accurately and also flexible enough to automate any complex process. So we provide all-in-one complete BPM solution that costs 10 times less than markup BPM suite. BPM Max Suite is very affordable to everyone. BPM Max Suite is so easy to implement, any complex business process can implement in few days. We provide free high-quality customer support, 48 hours case closed timeline. BPM Max Suite provide better visibility. Process bottleneck are hidden cost and need to monitor it closely. Process flow, process cost and process time. It's give better visibility to identify bottleneck early on and help to maintain process flow and its improvement. BPM Max Suite implement process fast and flexible. It's built on enterprise services that allow easily decoupled rule and policy, and also cross-application boundary by enterprise integration application IA and service-oriented architecture SOA. Who benefit from BPM Max Suite? Answers is everyone. Business professional to respond different type of market demand, customer having high quality service and visibility, help business operator to focus on their task, IT able to improve their productivity. BPM Max Suite increase process efficiency by eliminate execution gaps, minimizing waste in building enterprise solution, automate work, manage dynamic case, improve and optimize business process, build enterprises repository as a reusable assets, such as process template, business rule, policy, process documents, process history data, integration, user process forms. Gap between business and IT. There is always issue in narrowing gap between business strategy and technology strategy. And when change happen in business strategy because of change in market condition, new opportunity, improve customer satisfaction, then gap is increased between business and IT. The way to resolve and eliminate this gap is through BPM Max. And BPM Max Suite is ultimate solution to align between business and IT and customer by providing IT infrastructure that support the enterprise integration application IA and service-oriented architecture SOA, web-based, event-driven, rule-based, social media interface. Gap between voice of customer and enterprise. Gap between voice of customer and enterprise is resolved by hearing this voice of customer through social media and inbound communication through BPM Max Suite, and by easily providing this information to appropriate business stakeholder to respond customer's voice dynamically. BPM Max Suite reduce waste and effort from requirement to automation. Improve process efficiency throughout the life cycle of dynamic business process management by automating work, dynamic case management, increase enterprise assets by creating business process templates, rule, policy, and history data. Legacy modernization by BPM Max Suite. Need of legacy modernization. 1 million lines of undocumented code. To spend more than 80% budget on maintenance. 3. Dealing with legacy ERP endpoint solution is painful and complex for ossified processes and rule and legacy system. 5. Retiring workforce. 6. Difficult to change. 7. Process exceptions are expensive. 8. Difficult to automate process. 9. Don't have end-to-end dynamic case management. BPM Max Suite is right solution to resolve all this issue. BPM Max Suite is provide dynamics case management to automate case as well as handle dynamic change and agility for the case. Normal case management have following issues. 1. Hard to extend the case. 2. Hard to add dynamically task to cases. 3. Hard to learn from past experience. 4. Work automation difficulties for workers. 5. Difficult to change case policies. 6. Process executions are expensive. 7. Difficult to get information on case. 8. Difficult to use case across multiple business units. BPM Max Suite provide integrated dynamic case management with business and IT. BPM Max Suite feature are able to model any business process very easily and able to capture all process details, able to define any complex business process rule and policy, able to design user-friendly forms with integrated enterprise integration application EIA and service-oriented architecture SOA feature, able to simulate and optimize business process, service-oriented architecture SOA, and enterprise integration application EIA feature to integrate any enterprise and legacy system. Process help desk system, able to capture actual business revenue versus process resource expenses versus process resource time management, business process management reporting, business activity monitoring for all process stakeholders, dynamic case management, and event generation. Map your business process in BPM Max Suite in few days and start getting benefit in business process cost saving more than 30%.